What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we are at the Good Guys Rod & Custom Show up in Phoenix, Arizona. We got a lot of cool stuff going on today. The autocross, the car show, and hopefully some good food. So from the looks of it, you'll see a Shelby GT here, but not just any GT. If you look right here, this is what makes it special. If I were to own a pickup, it's probably going to be a Lightning.
So if you did have that truck, what color would you have it?
I think I like that blue. That blue is pretty dope. And a couple bikes to match. Not only do you bring your boat, bring your matching truck and your matching bikes. So this one is an award winner, rightfully so. The turbos are painted almost a gunmetal gray, as well as the intercooler piping, the intake. It's just a very well-built truck. It's a double agent. This thing is badass. How's it going, sir? This your build?
Oh yeah.
This is awesome, man. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a Roush Coyote motor, 500.
Those yellow gauges go so well in there. I mean, you think about small cars with Coyote engines and you usually think like a Shelby Cobra, but this is badass. This is a very good example of a very well shaved engine bay. It looks very clean, painted, and it looks like the outside, the exterior of the car is a gloss, while the inside of the engine bay is a matte. Maybe they satin cleared over it, but it looks really nice. So yesterday we spent most of the day roaming around, and we ran into one of our Patreons. We spent most of the day with him as well, and he took us out to dinner, so thank you, Robert, for feeding our bellies. But we also had to cut the day short yesterday because I came unprepared, got a massive sunburn, and I'm still aching today, but we got a hat. We got a hat to protect us. So one of the modifications I want to do to the Scraps thing is fuel injection. The way I want to do it is with a Phytech system or some sort of throttle body injection system. So let's check out what Phytech has. I know you mentioned a new product yesterday.
Yes.
When people think of Phytech, they usually think of the throttle body injection system that you guys usually have. This one looks a little bit different. Can you tell us the differences?
Yeah, so this is our port injection, so it still has the same style, so it looks very similar, but it's our port injection system. And then in addition to that, so we've had that portion for a while. However, we've teamed up with Offenhauser, and so now we're offering this Offenhauser manifold for Fords. And we've got a few more things with Offenhauser that we're doing. So we've teamed up with them this year, which is really exciting. They've been in the industry for a long time.
Do these come in a package, like the total package?
We have some, yeah, we have packages for this. We will have, I don't know about the total package, but we normally can pair them with field delivery options. And so this one, I want to say should be, the actual packages should be out soon, because we just released this like a week or two ago. It finally hit the market.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one cool thing about the Good Guys Auto Show that you don't get at a lot of shows is there's a swap meet portion. And I mean, who doesn't like swap meets? Cheap parts. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Test out these shifter balls. Wait, man, maybe I should rephrase that. I love it when vendors have displays like this. Oh, maybe watch me get kicked out. This is the T5 that we're running in the Mustang. Not this one specifically, obviously, but this is the same thing. And so let's look at the internals. I think this is the wiring harness we might be using on the Scraps thing. So, I mean, it's a universal harness, 22 circuit. But, I mean, I don't think we'd need anything more. Good DIY harness for whatever application you might want. So now we're headed to the most exciting part, in my opinion, of the Good Guys event. What is that? So we're getting close to the accent, as you can hear. Nice. So this car right here was actually pretty interesting because we didn't know what it was, but it's a factory 5. We got to go behind the barriers. No, look at that. Hello, buongiorno.
So how are you liking it?
It's pretty exciting, especially looking at it not from behind a fence. Got a clear view.
That big old blower line. $41,800 personal best.
The little blue queen.
Cool. So we got to go a bit backstage into the autocross section. So far, my favorite ones are the Mini, as well as the Factory 5 car. And behind me, you'll see a giant tent. And in there's some vendors, tires, wheels, stickers, steering wheels, things like that.
I know I asked you yesterday, but would you consider bringing scrap stain?
Scrap Sting? Yeah. Hopefully next year, Scrap Sting will be up and running and ready to hit the autocross. After seeing how much fun they're having, yeah, we're definitely bringing Scrap Sting next year. See, there's nice cars all over the place, but this is what gets my attention. It's raw. You can see the welds. The door hinges, I don't even know what they're off of. Barn doors, maybe? There's a keg for a fuel cell. That's insane. That's what I like to see. America. Buckets of donuts. Is that a... What? I did not know Dodge made a Charger truck. Who did this? I think we need an explanation. Who, what, where, when, why? See, I appreciate the craftsmanship. You had us in the first half. Right now we're in the grassy car show area. There was a lot more cars yesterday, but it was also Saturday. So now all that's left to do is walk around and check out what cars are left. Nothing against newer cars, right? But something about cars from this era that just hold a spot in my heart. My goal for next year is not to bring the nicest car. My goal when I bring the Scraps thing is to have the ugliest car at the show. And Miss Camera Lady, what was your favorite car of the show?
The little blue one.
The little blue one?
Yeah, yeah, that one was so cute.
Favorite part of the show?
Hanging out with you.
But
if I had to tell you guys what was not my favorite, but still kind of my favorite, was the $34 hot dogs.
God. Alrighty, folks, I hope you guys enjoyed this show. I would definitely recommend it to any automotive enthusiast. Let me know what your guys' favorite car was, but we have to get back to work on the Scraps thing, so I will see you guys in the next video.